Now we are going to discuss about our whatever the weather and the climate, the lesson weather and the climate. Yeah, in the last class, what we are discussed, you know very well. In the last class, what we are discussed, how to measure the wind direction. What is the wind and how to measure the wind direction. Yeah, tell me what is the wind we are considering here? Whatever the air is coming in the form of. Okay, now air is coming with somewhat velocity. That is only called what actually here wind. Okay, clear or not all the students? Air will be there, the air will be come from one place to the another place with some velocity. That is only called what actually wind. Yes, and for this purpose already we have discussed what the type of instrument we have to take for the direction. Why? Because air is not a contained what actually fixed position. Na? Air particles are one is away from another one. Okay, already we have discussed in our 6th class level only. There is the materials are three types. One is the solid, another one is liquid, another one is the gases. The gases are nothing but what they are contain the what particles are one is apart from another one. Automatically, when the force is working on it, the particles are moved from one place to the another place. Got it or not? One place to the another place. Particles are moved from one place to the another place in one direction to the another direction also. They easily move. Suppose you take a chalk piece. When we are giving a force on chalk piece, it is moving in mostly one direction only. But air is not like that. When you blow the air, that will be spread throughout the room or not. Okay, clear or not? Suppose you take incense sticks. Okay, now how the incense sticks are scented, they smell to the all our room. Like that only, the air is have possibility to move in all direction. For this purpose only, we measure the wind direction by using the what? There is a two instruments we are used for it. Already you know very well. That is the what? Anemometer. Okay, that will be provide the direction of the wind, and as well as it is also gives the what information about the what actually. Yes, velocity of the wind also. Velocity of the wind also. This is the anemometer. Yes, this anemometer is what actually provide the wind direction and as well as the speed of the wind also. Speed of the wind also. Speed of the wind also. Got it or not? And here there is we have to go to discuss about now there is one tabular format is given in our page number 59. Okay, what is the tabular format here? What is the tabular format we are taking here? Once we have to go to check here. Yes, there is a time is given and in all the directions. What is the wind position is also given here. Okay, observe the direction of the wind and tablet you observe the wind directions. Okay, clear or not all the students? First you take our instrument, whatever the arrow we are taken, and that arrow sheets are connected with one arrow with another arrow. Like this arrow sheets we are taken or not here? Arrow sheet, arrow cardboard sheet. Okay, and it will be taken on the particular region. I hope all the students may get you. Yeah, may get you. But all the students listen carefully. Here there is a what we have taken by using anemometer. Technically we are find that our whatever the wind direction and as well as the wind speed. Now there is you know very well about that how to find out the wind direction throughout the day. Okay, clear or not all of you? There is a what we have already one of the experimental observation purpose. We designed one instrument. That instrument contained a what cardboard. Okay, an arrow. By using that arrow, once you check if possible, yes, in 1 hour, in a 1 hour after at evening session 4 o'clock once you observe, and as well as in the same time it is observed of 5 o'clock. The same wind direction may not get for you. There is already we have discussed in 8 directions. There is made that arrow may shows its direction. Okay, now in which direction that our arrow shows, that is only the direction the wind moves in that particular direction only. Okay, got it or not? In the last class also we have discussed it and about the cyclone. The cyclone is nothing but yes, is the cyclone in that actually in the cyclone what will we get? The rain will we get, otherwise the wind will we get? Tell me. The cyclone is nothing but wind or rain. No one have idea. Cyclone is a wind or rain it is. It is a wind or rain? Answer me. Rain. Any more answers? Yeah, very good. It is a wind actually, not a rain. You know very well how the cyclone is changes our total weather. Okay, clear or not all of you? What the main change are coming due to the cyclone? There is a wind change is only get for us. There is a low pressure region is a forms. And why it is a called low pressure region? Okay, now there is a what? Because of the temperature changes, there is all the whatever the air molecules are there, what the gas molecules are there in that particular place, they heated and they move away from that particular position. Because of that, there is a what? Air pressure is a decreases. There is a no air will be available in that particular region. Because of that, that is a called low pressure region. Then after one more place, you know very well. The air is a moves from which place to which place? The air is a move from high pressure region to the low pressure region, like our temperature, high temperature to the low temperature. How our temperature moves, like that only our air is also moves from high pressure region to the low pressure region. Because of that only cyclones are getting. In this one, sometimes there is our whatever our scientists are predict, the cyclone may come to here, but it will be not get same on that particular place only. Okay, it will be may get it at some another place. Why? Because wind is a changes its direction regularly. Okay, clear or not all of you? Wind not contain only in one direction. We can't say it is possible to move in this direction only. The wind is a moves. Okay, clear or not all the students? And as well as based on this wind direction only, there is a whatever the boats. Okay, the olden days the boats are also they selected the direction how to be moved towards the earth. Okay, clear or not all the students? You know very well in a Bahubali movie there is a big ship will be there. On that ship what is there? Cloth is there. That cloth whatever we are used is based on the wind only there is we move that cloth actually. Okay, now based on that direction only we will move towards the what? Wind. Okay, clear or not all the students? And in every steamer or otherwise every ship it will be contain whatever our anemometer nowadays we are used to that type of a same arrangement they contain. Why? Because when we are going into the sea we don't know which direction and what is the direction. Okay, it is not possible to know. That's why they say they selected that type of anemometer. Otherwise, whatever we are taken that instrument are already we have discussed in the last class. Okay, now in that way the wind is a moves. That is only our direction. Okay, now yes to move. Okay, now yes towards the low pressure side. That's why only they will move along that direction. Got it or not? This is only about the wind. And the next to come to the humidity. Which one is called humidity? Which one is called humidity? Which one is called humidity? Tell me. Anyone? Yeah, you know very well. There is a what? Now there is in a winter session. How we feel? Somewhat cold. Okay, clear or not, all of you? It is because of what? The cool wind may get, cool breeze may get first. But the same when you consider it a hot summer, it will be hot, and as well as somewhat some particular days at afternoon session, we not bear that whatever the sweat is coming. Why then the sweat may come for us? Okay, clear or not, all of you? And as well as once you analyze, compare with the Vijayawada and Hyderabad. In the Vijayawada, there is a what actually high sweaty conditions are there compared with Hyderabad. Why it is? And when you go to the beach nearby the sea places, where that particular place also contain high sweaty nature, but it will be not contain, okay now? Yes, that sweaty nature same as, sorry. Yes, it will be not contain the same nature as in a sweaty nature at where? Yes, in a Hyderabad. Clear or not, all the students? And now come to here. Yes. Why it is occur? Why it is the Vijayawada is somewhat sweaty, or otherwise the coastal areas are also contain somewhat a sweaty nature in a summer? Why it is? Why? Because there is a more humidity. What is the humidity then? Humidity is nothing but what actually? Humidity is nothing but quantity of a moisture. What is it is? Quantity of moisture it is. Okay, clear or not, all the students? What it is? The quantity of moisture in the air. In the air, it is only called what actually? Humidity. Understood, all the students? Okay now? Yes, the quantity of moisture in the air is only called humidity. Yes, and there is a more humidity is nothing but more moisture is contained in the air, not in the around us. Okay, clear or not, all the students? Around us, whatever the air is there, that is not contain a moisture, and that whatever the air is an upper layer of then this particular positions, then us that is contain moisture. Because of that, when we feel sweaty in that particular place, you know very well here. Okay, and whatever there is, whatever the nearby the coastal area or nearby the Vijayawada, nothing but Vijayawada near it is a contain Krishna area. Okay, on that particular place, there is whatever the water is there, that water is heated. That heated thing is converted into the what? Vapor, you know very well. That vapor is mixed with the what actually? Air. Because of that, the moisture in that air may increases. Okay, clear or not, all the students? The same once you observe when you go near the evening, by the evening or otherwise by the night time nearby the beach, otherwise nearby the sea, then will be get a what? More cool breeze will be get for us. Okay, yes, why? Because at that time the water is not heated, that is not converted as a vapor. That vapor which is converted and that is mixed with the air, automatically the air moisture quantity increases below that place. Where the high moisture is there, below that place, according to our heat and temperature, our body is a contain of what? Yes, our body is a contain somewhat heat, and around us there is a moisture will be there, automatically that will be somewhat cooled thing or not, and automatically our bodies are produced the temperature to that cool one. That's why only we feel as a sweat. I hope you got it. Why we feel as a sweating? Because of humidity. That is important question for us. What is the humidity? I hope you understood. What is the humidity? Humidity is nothing but the moisture content is added to the air. That is called humidity. Yes, that whatever the quantity of moisture in the air, it is called what? Humidity. Got it or not? Yes. And that moisture amount, whatever the moisture amount is increases, the humidity also increases. How the moisture? The moisture is coming from where? The moisture is coming from some water sources. Otherwise, whatever the moisture is contained in the environment also, that will be also become dry because of the more heat in the summer. And it will be added to the upper layer of air. Okay now? And otherwise there is a whatever the surrounding air is become heated. Why? Because there is a hot, whatever the wind is coming hot in a summer, because of this one only. Okay, clear or not all of you? Around the air somewhat moisture particles are there. That moisture particles are also heated and they become evaporated due to the sun temperature. Not only in the water sources. In the air also somewhat air is contain somewhat light breeze, otherwise somewhat moisture it will be there in the air, that will be also heated during the summer and that will become as a vaporized. Okay now? Yes, due to this all the process there is a what? Heat is increases. Okay, humidity is increases, below the region heat is increases. Okay, clear or not all the students? In this way only there is a what? One is linked with another one. I hope you understood the humidity, all the students. Understood or not all the students? What is the humidity? Humidity is nothing but the moisture contained quantity in the air. How the moisture is coming in the air? How the moisture is coming in the air? Yeah, because of when the water is heated. Otherwise, the somewhat particular area is heated. Yes, that will become the what actually? Yes, vapor. That is a produce the vapor. That vapor is mixed with the what actually? Yes, again with the air. And that is another form. It is converted as a yes clouds. Already we discussed it. Yes, in this mode only we consider as our humidity. Yes, got it or not? There is once we are go through our textbook of 59 page number. What is the humidity? Why it is? Why is it sweaty in a Vijayawada and relate to less than in a Hyderabad in a summer? Even though it is hotter, yes, we do not sweat as much in Hyderabad. In a place near a river in a coastal regions, the weather in a summer is humid. In a summer session, if you are in a coastal region, you would feel very sweaty in addition to feeling hot winds. The Vijayawada is more humid than the Hyderabad. Why Vijayawada is generally more humid? There already we discussed. Take about 10 ml of water. Okay, 10 ml of water in a test tube, heat in a Bunsen burner or a candle. What happened? Think about it. Okay, clear or not all the students? Yeah, there is one of the experiment is also given. Simply you take here what you have to take here. There is a burner and one test tube also you have to take here. Okay, clear or not all the students? Like this arrangement you have to take here for that finding the humidity purpose. There is a what we have to take here. There is you take a stand like this. For this stand there is you are added. Okay, you add one test tube to it. Okay, clear or not all the students? One test tube to it. And you take here one of the burner here, automatically when it is a burn, okay, water contained, the 10 ml water you contained it, and in this one there is somewhat bubbles are getting, you know very well. Why the bubbles are getting? Because of what? Because of evaporation. Because of what? Evaporation. They contain somewhat a sea area. Okay, now this sea area is affected by the sun. Okay, clear or not all the students? And the river area is also affected by the sun, and automatically this is a become as a vapor it will be yes came out. In case there is about suppose you take our Hyderabad contain 40 degrees temperature, but it will be not sweaty. But in a Vijayawada 37 degrees also there it becomes sweaty. Why? Because it is a sweaty at that particular position. Why? Because it is a why? Because it is whatever it is not in a form of a what actually. Why? Because it is a sweaty in Vijayawada. Why? Because it is not sweaty in our whatever our Hyderabad. Why? Because there is water will be there in a Vijayawada, otherwise nearby the coastal region some amount of water will be there. Because of that water only this much of heat may produces. Okay, this much of humidity may produces. The humidity is totally different from the hot. Hot is nothing but directly the temperature is a work on it. Humidity is nothing but there is a whatever the content of moisture is there that will be removed from that particular place and added to some particular air. Okay, clear or not all of you? When the moisture is removed, automatically there is a wind is coming, whatever the wind is coming, that wind is become what actually? Yes, that is also heated. Okay, clear or not all the students? And in another word, there is around us there is a somewhat a cool place is there. Our body is a contained temperature. Okay, now that will be transferred, ready to transfer from our body to that particular place or not. In this mode, there is a whatever the water is coming from our body in the form of a what? Sweat. Okay, got it or not? That is only the going on here because of humidity. I hope you understood. Yes, I hope you understood or not all the students? What is the humidity? And now there is a what? There is a think and discuss concepts are also there here. Why do people living in a hot and humid region wear cotton cloths? In which session is the quantity of moisture in the air is high? Okay, clear or not all the students? There is a both are two important questions. Why the people are living in a hot and humid region wear the cotton cloths? Why? Because the cotton is easily sended the air through it, and after that it will be observed the more moisture. Clear or not all the students? It observe the more water. Okay, clear or not all of you? Compare with the synthetic fiber. That's why only it is not affected due to humidity. Okay, clear or not all the students? It observe the moisture. And as well as it is easily sent the air through it. Okay, whatever the air will be there, either may be cool or may be hot, it will be air easily passes through that whatever the holes are contained in the cotton cloth. Because of that only, it will be first thing is observe the moisture. Okay, now then the air. Okay, clear or not? Air is observe the moisture from our body or not? Yes, our body is also affected due to that. Yes. Whatever the temperature is surrounded by us. Why? Because from our bodies also moisture may remove. Because of that only in the summer we are going to the more dehydrate compared with other sessions. Got it or not? Yes, that is only we are considered for humidity purpose. And the next thing is about in which session the quantity of humidity is more higher. Yes, in which session it is a higher? In a summer session only it is a higher. Why? Because in a summer session, that the environment is contain high temperature. Due to this high temperature only, yes, our surrounding is also become hot. Okay, clear or not all of you? Because of hot, whatever the water content is there in this environment, that will become evaporated. That evaporated is only become as a moisture. That evaporated things are moisture. They are what actually? Why? Because they mixing with the air. Why? Because this moisture is lighter than the air. That's why it is easily going into the above the air, not below the air. And sometimes it is mixed with the air also. Okay, when it is become weight, then the air it is at that time it is mixed with the air also. Then is with the air that is cold, and below place is become hot. Okay, you know very well. It is a hard body. Which body is a hard body? Whatever the environment is already lost its moisture, that is a hard body. Whatever the environment is gained the moisture because of the sun heat, that is become What actually? It is a hotter, it is a cooler. Automatically, this hot gas is reaches to this cool place. Okay, clear or not all of you? In this way, the air will be moves towards here, and become it is a more heat here. Okay, now like that it will be going on in a cyclic mode. Okay, clear or not all the students? This is only today's class, students. Yes, and go with the revision of our FA2 syllabus. Yes, somewhat here today the network is not in a proper way. Okay, clear or not all the students? Tomorrow we'll go with this explanation once again. How there is a humidity is affected our body temperature, and how the humidity it is yes affect the environment, and why the humidity is only one of the cause for the rainfall. Okay, clear or not all the students? Yes, thank you, bye, take care. One thing, when the more humidity is there, our parents, otherwise our elders are says, may the rain fall. May the rainfall comes. How they say rainfall comes? May the word may listen by you, I hope. There is a more humidity is there. At that time, there is a what our parents are says, our elders are says, the may rain come today. How they say this? Yeah, because of what? There is a more vaporization is occurred. Because of that only more humidity will be get. That vaporized particle may become as a cloud, and the cloud particle again may come into the form of rain armor. In this way only we are. Okay, yes, students, there is a today's homework. You prepared, yes, you have to prepare to your FA2 syllabus and write about humidity. Yes, and think and discuss questions. Whatever the think and discuss questions are there now, you write answer to the think and discuss question. Okay, thank you, bye, take care.